Mark Magsayo ng Pilipinas versus Daniel Diaz ng Nicaragua. Grabe, ang tindi ni Magsayo mga idolo. 3 beses pinabagsak ni Magsayo si Diaz sa loob lamang ng isang round. Tara't ating panoorin ang highlights ng laban na ito mga idolo at kung paano winasak ni Magsayo si Daniel Diaz.
Because Danny, that weapon, he starts slow, but once he warms up, I remember how he defeated Roberto Marroquin in Dallas, a top prospect, the 122-pound division. He knocked down Marroquin and then outgot him the rest of the way. He plans to do the same thing dito kay Mark Magsayo. Magsayo starting out well, ano? Tama-tama muna, dahan-dahan muna, malaking kalaban, huwag magmadali, huwag bara-bara, dahil yung nga naging flow niya ng una kay Chris Avalos.
Tama.
Oo. Ginawa muna kung ibubuga na yung matunggali.
Kilala sa kanyang power mula sa kaliwat kanan si Mark Magsayo. Undefeated, perfect record so far, 16-0.
Bang! Ang tindi nun!
Pati si Diaz, El General, tapos sa dudo. Oh boy!
Mark Magsayo.
Bang!
Second knockdown, hit to Flores.
I did say that Diaz is a slow starter, but this is very slow.
At dito na tuluyang winasak ni Magsayo si Daniel Diaz.
Can he even survive the round?
Bang! Tapos ang boxing.
Without holy display. Unbelievable.
Target na, panoorin natin ulit. 38 muna.
Another knockdown. The second knockdown. Here is the finishing. Oh, good shot. Ang ganda ng mga patama niya. Talagang pag-isip ko ang kanya naging isang double left hook. Way of power. Look at that, the last knockdown, and look at that down go.
The winner by TKO victory, ladies and gentlemen, from Tagbilaran City, Bohol,